Hi, it's Chris. I'm here at about 2 miles from Leek on the old mineral line that goes from Stoke-on-Trent up to Calden Low and Oakham. It's an absolutely lovely area. This is. Up there is a canal, the top canal. Bottom canal just the side of us. We're just now to the old Grange Station. It was shut in 1988, this track was. I say it's an absolutely beautiful area, this is. It's actually a place called Grange. It's near Denford. And up there's a reservoir. See the cars parked up. It's an absolutely beautiful spot. I've just come to have a walk to see what's left of the old Grange Station. It shut in I think it was the late 50s, and it was just used as a mineral line up till 1988. There's been 2 trains sent up in the 1990s, I think it was. They're both on YouTube. It goes through some absolutely beautiful countryside, this does. So it's about 10-11 miles down to Stoke, and a few miles up it's the Cheddleton Station, the Heritage Line. Have got it there. They made an absolutely lovely job of it. They're on steam trains, etc. And I had thought they'd taken ownership of this part of the track, but I don't. There's no action here, so I don't really know. There's an old bridge. Looks like it's been renewed. And we're just coming up to the old station. It's a beautiful walk, this is. I've parked up at Hendon. It's about 3-4 miles down there. So and it's the first day of March now, so we've got spring to look forward to. Like I say, we've had hurricanes and rain and hurricanes and more rain. We need some sun now. It's absolutely beautiful, this is, in the spring. We're just coming up to the station. The platform's still remaining. I think it was a single platform station, and I'm not sure if that house has something to do with the station. It's quite good condition. 11 years ago the trains used to pull up here. I don't really know why there's a station here, to be honest with you, because there isn't a great deal here, and I don't think there's any mines or quarries or industry. It's just a very, very picturesque place. It's a lovely house, that is, a nice and big one. I see the platform's still in quite good condition. I say in summer it's absolutely lovely, this area is. There's a nice reservoir up there, and like you can see the cars all parked up. It's well worth a walk round. Another one on the list. So all hope you have a great day. Keep subscribing and give me the thumbs up. It's lovely to see these old stations intact all them years. So have a great day. Bye.